Hey guys, sorry for not uploading in a while. I've been going through something weird with my health recently. It's nothing out of the ordinary for me. Went to all the doctors, they don't know what's going on. Usual. I just wanted to make a video saying I didn't disappear forever. Um, and not to like list all of my ailments, but that's why I don't have a lighting setup right now. Migraines, nausea, um, weird like red fluid. My disassociation has been really bad, and I've been getting really bad dizzy spells. Um, oh, sorry, I lost my train of thought. I'm gonna I'm gonna go lay down, and I will see you guys later.